Hi, I'm Janae LaCour-Dunn, MBA Realtor. Again, here with everything that North Austin real estate has to offer. I know it has been a while since I've posted a video. I apologize, but I am back. This is my most recent listing. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. We are in Hutto, Texas. Hutto is a super fast growing suburb of Austin. It's conveniently located. You can get to the city in about 30 minutes or less. It also is just growing. The schools are improving. They're building out to support the growing community. And a lot of people just say that they love Hutto for a number of reasons, but the one I hear the most is just the sense of community. You'll drive around here and you will see hippos in the yard because they are called the Hutto hippos. Hutto also recently opened something called the Co-op, which is a mixed-use space with retail and restaurants and residential, just a walking community, again, to really enhance that community experience. I am here at my listing, 129 Aguilar Drive here in Hutto. This home, I helped my clients buy this home a few years ago, and since then, they have really completely renovated this house. It is beautiful. Listed right under 400,000, about 1,900 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I mean, a completely renovated kitchen with custom cabinets, renovated bathrooms. This house also sits on almost a quarter of an acre on a corner lot. I'll show it in a second. So, providing also just quite a bit of space and a limited amount of neighbors. So, let's go take a look. Welcome to this fully renovated gym in the heart of Hutto, nestled on a spacious corner lot just shy of a quarter of an acre. With fresh landscaping, Bermuda sod, and beautifully trimmed oak trees, the curb appeal is undeniable. Bushes and mulch around limestone pavers create a striking and low-maintenance front yard. Step through the front door and into the bright, welcoming entryway where you're greeted by the formal living and dining areas, ideal for entertaining or creating versatile flex spaces. Fresh paint, new blinds, modern lighting, and custom molding set a sophisticated tone throughout the home. Just ahead, the heart of the home, the stunning, completely remodeled kitchen. Custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, a herringbone ceramic backsplash, and a sleek stainless steel hood create a chef-worthy space. All new 2024 GE Profile appliances offer both performance and excellence. Adjacent to the kitchen, the sunny breakfast nook provides the perfect spot to start your day. The kitchen and nook flow seamlessly into the cozy family room, anchored by accent wall that adds warmth and character. This open concept layout is designed for connection, comfort, and everyday living. Tucked away in its own private wing is the oversized primary suite. This tranquil retreat features ample space, soft natural light, and its own custom accent wall for a bold designer touch. It flows effortlessly into the luxurious ensuite bath. Step into the spa-inspired primary bathroom, where a walk-in shower with a rain shower head, chic finishes, and thoughtful design create a rejuvenating experience. Down another hall, you'll find 3 additional secondary bedrooms, each freshly updated with new paint, baseboards, blinds, and unique personality. Perfect for family, guests, or a home office. The secondary bathroom has been fully remodeled as well, offering clean lines, modern fixtures, and functional style. Finally, head out back to your expansive backyard oasis. The large covered patio is ideal for relaxing or entertaining. You'll find a freshly painted storage shed, full irrigation, and plenty of room to roam. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home in Hutto with me. I hope you thought it was as beautiful as I do. If you're interested in this home, if you're interested in Hutto or other real estate in Hutto, I'm happy to help you. Or you just have questions about the Austin market, specifically areas in North Austin. This is considered Northeast Austin. I am happy to help. I'm from Austin. I live here. I work here. My kids go to school here. So I'm well versed in everything that North Austin has to offer. Thank you so much for joining me. I promise no more long breaks. I'll be back soon. Bye.